How to install Lyft app on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on it. Now on the top at the search bar, search for Lyft. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it again. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by saying the company's name, Lyft Inc. Now on the bottom, simply tap on install. So what is Lyft application? So it is a ride-sharing application which is mostly used in America. So here you'll be able to gain different options and services regarding the vehicles. So as you can see, I have installed it. Now you can easily use this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.